Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's your girl Kels. By the title of the video, you know what is going down. Today I'll be unboxing the Galaxy Note 9. So basically guys, this is what the box is looking like at first instant. So let's just take a look at some of the specs. It has 128 gigabytes of storage. It's a 6.4 inch quad HD plus super display along with 4000 mAh battery, which is great. So let's just open up the box. So the first thing you notice when you're opening the box is that you're not greeted with the phone right away. Now at the front you have Galaxy Note 9. Now when you open that, you can see the SIM ejector tool at the top or the bottom depending which angle you're holding it. You'll also see a quick start menu guide, for how to transfer data, content, etc. Now this is how the phone is looking at first instance, but let's just put that aside to see what else is in the box before we get into that. Alright, so the first thing we have here is the USB adapter, and it's supposed to be super fast. Now you have the USB connector. It's USB-C to type A input to help transfer the information. You have your earbuds. Depending on your ear size, I guess you can change it. Now the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the charging cable. Now you have a USB type A to USB type C charging cable, and it's very awesome. For the earphones, it's very awesome. As I'll show you, it's AKG. It has a nice style. The cable is pretty awesome, and it's a standard headphone jack. So that's pretty awesome. Alright guys, so let's just get right to the phone now. Okay guys, so there's the phone. There's a pretty look at it. The back, the camera is at the back. They give you just some of the details of the specs that I mentioned before. The dual camera, the 4000 mAh battery. So basically the phone is not that square. It has a little curve on it. No, it has a dual camera system. One is like a telephoto length, the other is a standard wide angle length with dual aperture mode. So yeah, let's just take a closer look at the phone. This is the top section where you would have your micro SD card slot and your SIM card slot. You have the top button for your volume and etc. At the bottom of the phone you have your earphone jack, your charging port, and also your S Pen, which I'll be showing you guys. So basically once you tap on it, it will automatically eject and you can just take it right out. So look how amazing this pen is, and its functionalities are one to be aware of. It has a clicky sound just like a pen. So let me just put that in for now. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pour on the phone and get rid of the plastics. Yeah, let me just readjust that light. Okay guys, so upon starting the phone, it's just asking for some consent, etc. Alright guys, so this is important to know. Protect your phone. You have the intelligent scan, the face recognition, iris, fingerprint pattern. There's a lot of different options on how you can protect your phone, but I'll do that later. So let's just move along. To set up, you would have your phone number so that you can transfer information to it. Alright guys, so this is how the phone inside look. Oh my god guys, this is totally amazing. Look at that camera. It's very awesome. Look at the home screen. Alright guys, so basically the pen is so much of a great effect. Once you eject the pen, if your phone is turned off, you are automatically greeted with this system where you can basically write anything. It's like a notepad. You can write anything. So if you want to remember a number, or email or whatever, you can just basically grab the pen, write it down and save it. So some of the regular apps on it are just the norm that we would all use. So if you need anything additional, you would have to add it. As you can see, it has YouTube, Messenger, Facebook, etc. Yeah. Alright guys, so what I want to show you guys now is just some of the camera aspects, because I know we love to take pictures and that is very important to also note. So look at that, I'm just snapping some pictures. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna just bring up some pop-ups right now to show you guys how it looks. The video quality is so clear, I love it. One of the best things about a phone for me is the picture quality, because that is very super important. Now it is a 12 megapixel camera at the rear, and at the front it is a 5.2 megapixel, which is great if you're not doing anything too extra, but it's good for your YouTube, great for making your YouTube videos, TikTok videos, all social media videos. The quality of this phone is very amazing. Now let me just show you guys how long. I know I showed you guys the cable before, but let me just show you how long this is. Like, I love a cable that can reach far enough, because I do not like when you have some small cables from your phone to the power outlet. So look at that distance, guys. I love this. I did not check out how long it is, but it is pretty good. It's a good normal size. So basically guys, at the end of the video, if you like it, I'm asking you please to subscribe, put a like on it, comment, share it with your friends. Yeah, just, you know, help a girl out. And if there is anything that you'd like me to post about, I will do it. I'll be doing some other videos on the phone just to tell you some other features about it that I come across. So basically, yeah, thanks for watching guys, and bye.